I'm going to cook for the dragon. Okay, so the first food he would like watermelon. So let's slice it up. One slice, and we need a plate. Okay, now let's get the next one. Pineapple, and we're gonna. Okay, I think that's all the fruits. Let's get a piece of cake. Oh. Okay, and okay, the first food is done, and it will be $6. Thank you. I got $6 that I need. $6. Okay, it's paid for $6, but I made them. Okay. First order is done. I did already. And now let's cook the second thing. I want to make something with this. Veggie soup. Okay, in the frying pan. Let's make a drink too. Ooh, apple juice. Okay, now let's just pretend like it's blending. And now this because I think this is the soup. Just to check it, maybe the soup. No, I'm gonna put it in there. Put some in here, and now let's get some carrots. Okay, now let's cut it. Okay, and now we just wait. So let's wait 5 seconds. Okay, done. Okay, so the apple juice is ready. And let's put it in here. Here's your apple juice. Oh, you already finished this dish? Okay. Oh no, everything's falling. Okay, it's just everything's falling. Oh, a strawberry. There's so many things here. There's a whole cart. Okay, no more cake. And one piece of this. Let's put it in another piece. Okay, I'm going to use this now. This is apple juice. Yeah. This is heavy. He's drinking his apple juice right down there. Okay, there. Now let's get the second. And let's get a new customer. Let me finish this food. We're gonna have a new customer come. So that's why I made this pair. So now let's get the carrot. Okay. Plate. And then how are you going to get this? Okay, now let's get a spoon. No, that's fork. Fork, spoon. And now let's get it. And next customer is coming in a couple seconds. The next customer is a baby pup. A baby pup. Okay. She wants. Let's get her a little drink. Oh. Hey. Are you also a customer? Okay. Here's your drink. Okay, this little, you want a drink and I gave you a drink. No, really, you wanted a drink, you just wanted a cup? Okay, okay, now we finish with that. We have to finish the drink. Ooh, this is tall. The pup would like something healthy to drink. She says she likes vegetables and fruit. So let's give her a strawberry drink, okay? Cut it in half. Strawberry. And we can make a strawberry coffee. And now, let's put it in the drink. And here's your food. Mr. Castillo, what is happening? Are you helping me or not? Okay, you do what you do. I'm just going to do others. Okay. Hey, you spilled your drink. Okay. Feed Liam is good. Okay, I already fed Liam because he was coming to here. And the pup. I don't know. Nobody understands this language. I don't know what I'm writing. Okay, I'm just doing scribbles. Okay. You can eat your food. I'm going to put it there. And okay, she almost finished her food, but now she only has chicken. And I don't know what's next to bake. What do you say, Leah? Bake a cake? But I already have a cake. I already baked a cake. You want your own apple juice? Okay, here's your apple juice. Have a good day. Really? You don't want an apple? For apple juice? Really? Okay, I have a couple more foods to make. And the last food is Liam is his favorite. Chicken soup. Let's put some Liam in chicken soup. Spicy chicken soup? Okay, we're gonna pretend this is noodles, but not noodles. Some lemon. And now let's make some of this. And we got some ice cream. Yes, I know. It's your favorite. Yes, it's for you. Yes, I know. It's for you. Yeah, it is for you, Leo. Oh, yes, it is. Yes, there's also ice cream. Yes, it is. There is. Oh my God! Stop saying yes. Okay, yes. Leo. Okay. Okay. Okay, it is, yeah. Okay, you help me. Yes, help me. Yes, help me. Yes, you're gonna help me. Sir, you're gonna help me. Sir. Yes, you're gonna get the veggies. Here. You get the veggies. Okay. And the last order is done. And okay, now let's get this last dessert. Okay, okay, now let's get all the things back to the rightful place. Okay, put this here. Oh, you're gonna cook? You're gonna cook, Liam? Okay, yes. You can cook your food, and I'll just $6. Let's cook some of this, $6 as popcorn in a cup. Okay. We're not gonna cook that. That's a teeny weeny, so tiny. Okay. And bye-bye. I hope you like our video. Please like and subscribe. Yay!